Let's talk about home insurance and something I call the creep up syndrome. What that means is upon renewal or even in the middle of your contract, they might raise your premium just a little so you don't complain. But over the years, if you keep the same company, your premiums go up and up and up. And even worse, they're now making big changes to your policy without you really understanding them. For example, with roof coverage, they have sometimes switched from replacement costs to actual cash value. Do you know what that means? That means at the time your roof is destroyed by hail, they don't pay you to replace it. They pay you for what it was worth the day before the hailstorm. So if you had a 20-year roof, you could end up getting only half the money minus your deductible. Look for subtle changes in your policy because they're doing it. For example, they have now deductibles that are 2% of the household value. So if you have a very expensive house and your deductible for the roof is 2% of that value, you could end up with no roof coverage at all. Insurance companies are doing it now because they're hurting with all the severe weather around the country. So look for those changes. When you get a notice from your insurance company, look at it and make sure you can live with the change because it could be a very expensive mistake if you can't. One thing I recommend is an insurance checkup every single year. That means no matter how long you've had your company, you check on them to make sure you're getting the best deal. Often, when you do an insurance checkup, you can find better coverage at lower prices. Now, in Colorado, one company I use to do the insurance checkup is Compass Insurance Group. They do free insurance checkups. They look at your declarations page and take a look at the marketplace to make sure you're not underinsured, you're not overinsured, you're not paying too much. All of that in a free insurance checkup. Compass Insurance, 303-996-9000. I'm Tom Martino.